Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Vyte, which is really nice appointment scheduling software. We are going to cover pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Vyte, and also we'll sneak peek into it so you exactly know what you can expect. Vyte.in is a cloud-based scheduling tool that enables users in small and medium-sized organizations across a variety of industries, including digital marketing, IT services, and digital learning, to plan one-on-one or group meetings with other users. Vyte.in enables users to make appointment ideas straight from the calendar, with features such as meeting venue suggestions, automatically syncing time zones, double booking rejection, and ability to examine other invitees' schedules and suggest appointment times based on them. The solution also includes a mobile app for iOS devices. Invitees can vote for their preferred time slots on Vyte.in, and users can confirm appointments with a single click and send email confirmations to invitees. It integrates with a variety of calendar programs, including Microsoft Outlook, Google Calendar, and Apple's Calendar. It also makes cross-company calendar sharing easier. Services are available on monthly subscription basis and include support via an online help desk. This online appointment scheduling system combines multi-location, appointment reminders, room booking management, class scheduling, and group scheduling. It's made mainly for businesses. Small, medium, and even large enterprises can take advantage of it, or small businesses of one people, like hairdressers, for example. So what you can expect pricing wise, there are a couple of plans. First one, you have to decide if you want to commit and be billed yearly or to be billed monthly, and then you have to choose from free plan, pro plan, or enterprise. Obviously, with enterprise, everything is unlocked, and you'll get all the options and all the features of Vyte. With free plan, you still have a handful of features on your service, but you don't get, for example, multiple calendars in only one Vyte account, Microsoft Exchange Calendar, iCloud, CalDev, and Calendar ICS. Then for meetings, appointments, they're missing all of them, advanced feature on the team, and the Martin from Vyte is really bothering me, and many more. But integrations should be on point with every single package. Other than that, yeah, you can see that without integration, this wouldn't be much of a nice app. So this free plan, get started. You can continue with Google, Office, or log in with email. If you go with an email, you probably have to wait for verification email. But if you go with the Gmail, it shouldn't be a case. We are allowing everything and create group meetings or booking page. Let's go with create a booking page. This is my photo, my Gmail account. Choose your link. Let's go with let people know the best way to book you on Vyte, please. Okay, we hit that continue button, which we have to scroll for, and right now set up my calendars. You can even go with it's a holidays in Slovakia. I'm from Slovakia, so yeah, let's do it like this. And continue. Set my availabilities. Okay, from 11 to 9 p.m. That's really like, oof. This is a really nice way of, let's go from 8 to 4 p.m. and save. And like this, okay, Saturday, let's not do it. And then hide never available, hide past availably. Okay, save and start my free trial. Share my Vyte page. Like this, you can just copy paste the link and you can just check it out. You want to meet me, suggest date, suggest place, and request meeting. Straight away, what you want me to meet for? Let's go coffee date, pick a date. Let's go with Friday 9:30 to 10:30. Save and pick a place. Let's go like here and save. Add a message. Can't wait. And request meeting. Tell Natush who you are, your name. Let's go with Brett. I don't really know Brad Pitt. Okay. Send a meeting. Okay, there should be an email. Okay. And send a meeting. Let's check straight away my email if I arrived, if I get a date and it's really working. Straight away on your Gmail account, you see coffee date with Brad in Ružomberok, 2 participants. You'll get the emails and you can confirm the meeting. When you are here and click on confirm, you are straight redirected to Vyte and you just confirm event tomorrow and it's on. Like this, participant is acknowledged. We can even check the opposite side of this recipient. Let me just log in into my other account. It's not there yet, but it doesn't actually matter if someone is sending you the appointments. My events straight away, there is coffee date tomorrow. So yeah, it's way easier. It's way easier than with someone else. And you can find this everywhere. Other than that, if you want to create a new event, because this is just booking me personally, there's on top right corner, create an event option, subject. Let's go another coffee date, volume 2, invitee name or email, go with the Brad, which already invited me. But right now, I can pick the day. So we're gonna make it a bit later. Let's go yet again with Ružomberok, which is my hometown, and send this event. With this, now Brad got an invite for coffee tomorrow. And like this, people either can book you or you can even decline the event. So, So like this, you can easily create an event on a small scale or even a bigger scale. It's completely up to you. And if you're done and you don't really want anyone to book you out, you just click on deactivate and no one will be able to, you see, find your page on Vyte. But once you activate it again, here you are. You can also pick from a couple of languages: English, French, Portuguese, Italian, Deutsch, Espanol, Svenska, Netherlands, and Polski. Polski is oi oi oi. There's a lot of Polish words. So if you have any types of questions about Vyte, please let me know underneath this video and I'll try to help you with your problem. Thank you very much for your time and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye, mates.